What's up guys, we're back with the second installment of this series where you can learn some sneaky tactics with Yoru to help shred your enemies. Today we're on Haven, which is my favorite map to defend as Yoru, and you'll see why. This first trick can be used when defending C-Site. If you sneak your teleporter into the cubby, you can make some really aggressive plays when paired with your flash. If you manage to clear C-Long without using your teleport ability, you can try to sneak it back through here and it'll get you into your enemy's spawn and into an amazing position to flank from if they're hovering in middle to push garage or B-Site. This next play can be used at the start of a round. Make sure you look into A lobby to ensure that your opponent doesn't see you put your teleporter up the lane, and if they push after it gets into that corner, you can make a huge play by flashing out from sight and then teleporting in behind them. You can use these teleports defensively as well. I mostly leave one towards the back of A, wait to see if they push into lobby, and then reposition using my teleporter to get into heaven. From here, you're in a great position to stifle your opponent's push. Here's a good combo play that you can make to single-handedly wreak havoc on your opponent's defensive line. I like to teleport into cubby outside B, and then from here use my ultimate ability to run right through B site into A heaven. On the way, you will probably spot some enemies too, so make sure that you call out their position to your teammates while you're running through. From heaven, you can take control of A pretty easily, and you really panic the opposing team. For this next play, it's really important that you keep your eyes on window to ensure that nobody sees your teleporter cross through middle. If you play against a team that likes to play for garage very often, this teleporter will get you into the kill zone with ease. You can also flank A lobby from here. This next usage of the teleporter allows you to cover the two furthest spots on the map at the same time. If you're playing on A site, you can leave the teleporter by C, so that if your team calls for a rotation, you can be the first one there, and this could really throw off your opponent's push. Alternatively, you can accomplish the same thing if you're playing in garage or on C-Site by leaving a teleporter in A heaven before the round starts. With a kit as versatile as Yoru's, there are infinite ways to outplay and deceive your opponent. Be mindful of patterns your opponents are following and adjust your strategy accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it. I still have a guide coming out for split and bind, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on those. Thanks for watching, and as always, Wang out.